What up there, homies? It's your boy, Justin Bassetti, back again with another Theta Token video, another Theta Token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Theta wallet address for any kind of Theta, T-Fuel, or any kind of TNT20 donation. So now diving onto Twitter like we normally do, going on to another article that we found, we're going to do another Theta rewind in terms of the progress it currently has made. So maybe break down more like a Theta 101. If you are more familiar with Theta, you probably already are more familiar with what all these updates are, but if you don't want to just check this video out for the rest of the video to see what I have in store, definitely stay tuned. So now diving onto Twitter like we normally do, we're going to see that here SF Sports Ghost tweeted that on July 18th, Theta Health, here's the currently stake, and then here's a little article that was recently posted in July 22 that we really do want to check this out, July 2022, that we do want to check out so we see all the updates that we currently have. July 5th of 2022, the Theta decentralized video content streaming. Although most crypto projects present themselves as problem solvers for real-world application for purposes, few truly succeed. But Theta is supposed to be different, in an application that undoubtedly plays a crucial role in the World Wide Web, namely streaming via providers such as Netflix, YouTube, Twitch, and others. This is one of the more interesting crypto platforms, and of course we know Theta. Scrolling down into the beginning, like an introduction, what is Theta? Theta is a new type of decentralized video content delivery network based on a blockchain technology. It is designed to improve the quality of video streaming and reward those who offer their computing resources for improved video delivery. The Theta Network, which calls itself a decentralized streaming video protocol, allows users to offer their spare bandwidth and computing resources in exchange for token rewards. Founded in 2017 with an ICO that raised approximately $20 million, Theta began operations in 2018. Theta Mainnet was launched in March of 2019 with its peer-to-peer decentralized network that allows users to share bandwidth and computing resources. In December of 2020, Theta Labs released the beta version of decentralized video streaming and platform EdgeCast. It is based on Theta's blockchain technology and is the world's first video streaming dApp. The Theta ecosystem does make use of two different tokens, Theta and Theta Fuel, T-Fuel. Theta's native token, Theta, is a governance token that runs on the Theta network. These tokens help to secure the blockchain and are used to provide a variety of functionalities to users. Here's the type of edge nodes in terms of the picture, different type of edge nodes and also validator nodes who are part of the network, so really looking forward to more validators as well as elite edge nodes. Theta Fuel, T-Fuel on the other hand are tokens issued to users who watch streams on the network using their spare bandwidth to share the stream with other users. T-Fuel functions similar to Ethereum gas and is responsible for interacting with smart contracts on the Theta network. As viewers on the network share content with other viewers, they earn more tokens. Airdrops also take place regularly, where users receive tokens for performing various tasks like all blockchain networks. Theta is open source, and token holders have governance powers as other proof-of-stake systems. Developers can also develop dApps on Theta's smart contract platform. The Theta blockchain is only end-to-end infrastructure for decentralized video streaming and delivery that provides both technical and economic solutions. This is one of the most exciting new blockchain ventures I have heard about in terms of this type of post. Theta's project originates from Sliver TV, a company engaged in development of streaming video technologies based on virtual reality and 360-degree projection. It is no coincidence that founders of Theta Network are the same of those of Sliver TV. Mitch Liu, CEO and co-founder of Sliver TV, a leading esports platform committed to pioneering new ways to enjoy such events in an increasingly immersive reality. Liu is also known to be among the founders of Game View Studios, famous for the mobile game Tabfish, which has 100 million downloads. Ji-Hee Long, he is the co-founder of Sliver TV, now also CTO of Theta, leading the platform's technical team. He has already developed and obtained numerous patents for virtual reality, live streaming, and video game technologies. Noteworthy among the media advisors, the president Steve Shen, co-founder of YouTube. Theta's innovation is set to disrupt today's online video industry much in the same way that YouTube platform did to traditional video back in 2005. One of the biggest challenges that has been the high cost of delivering now video to various parts of the world, and this problem is only getting bigger with HD, 4K, and higher quality video streams, said Steve Shen, co-founder of YouTube. He's excited to be part of the next evolution in the streaming space helping Theta create a decentralized peer-to-peer network that can offer improved video delivery at lower cost. Steve Shen, ThetaToken.org. Taking a quick time out from this article, that is the whole premise of Theta Network if we haven't already known that. So really looking forward to how this whole peer-to-peer and the future of video streaming and gaming is definitely going to be incorporated along with Theta and their NFTs. Going back to the article, we're going to see that here's the current problem that we're seeing currently with type of streaming platforms. So definitely take a pause here because I definitely don't want to dive too much into the article. For those who are already aware of what Theta is, definitely check this article out down in the description below, as well as the Theta wall address. But scrolling down to the rest of the article for those who are definitely looking for more updates. So going on to Theta and T-Fuel, part of the economy Theta are two tokens of Theta and T-Fuel, each of which has its very special role. Theta is a classic governance token that can be staked by its holders. Validators also use it to produce new blocks on the Theta blockchain. T-Fuel, as the name suggests, something like the fuel in the network. The token's means of payment to set up and maintain caching nodes. For example, at the same time, users can earn T-Fuel by making their computing power available in the decentralized streaming network. In addition, T-Fuel tokens can be earned while using the streaming service Theta.tv. In the economy of Theta, there is some roles that individual network participants can take on. Scrolling down in here, we're going to see all the different type of roles: streamers, viewer, advertiser, caching nodes, and guardian nodes. Streamers are the content producers and deliver content on the streaming platform Theta TV, for instance, which can be viewed by viewers. Also, they can receive T-Fuel on their account through donations, for example. Viewer. This role includes all viewers who consume content on streaming portals or video platforms. They can also earn T-Fuel by using Theta TV. Advertisers, similar to what you know from in-video advertising on Twitch or YouTube, advertisers can buy ad space in exchange for Theta tokens. Caching nodes, users who provide their bandwidth and power to serve content across geographies as caching nodes receive T-Fuel in return as a reward. Guardian nodes are the stakers in the network. They receive T-Fuel as a reward for their work. Scrolling down into the rest of the article, it is definitely pretty lengthy, but we're going to definitely look into it a little bit more in terms of staking and earning money with Theta. One of the most exciting parts of the Theta ecosystem is certainly the fact that you can earn some T-Fuel passively in various ways with Theta. A core component is staking, which is foundation of the protocol's proof of stake algorithm. This means you can build or invest in a guardian node and earn T-Fuel through Theta staking, but there are also other ways to earn T-Fuel on the network. As you can tell, you have Theta TV, World Poker Tour. This is what the screen looks like when you do incorporate Theta TV and trying to earn this type of T-Fuel. Also here you see the staking type of premise as well as earning T-Fuel. You can also earn it by selling NFTs, buying and selling NFTs on the products on ThetaDrop as well as Open Theta. So really looking forward to these type of collaborations and networks growing and building stronger connections with the blockchain altogether. So we're going to see how the rest of this year as well as 2023 is going to pan out with these NFTs. Going on to the conclusion of this article, conclusion and chance of risk of Theta. This could be the most interesting platforms he has reviewed recently. Why? Strong team and advisor with a track record, real-life use cases, and interesting partners. Advantages: growth market, high incentive for platform users, technically advanced design, enormous price increases in the past. Disadvantages: high volatility, tough competition from central CDNs such as Amazon, AWS, or Google Cloud. But we already know that Google, Samsung has already been partners with it. They also work with MGM in terms of that type of collaboration. So I believe Amazon may have bought MGM. So really looking forward to how these partnerships are definitely going to build on each other. We also know that CAA, Creative Arts Agency, has partnered with Theta Network and is one of their validator nodes. And they're just growing all together. We know the price is right. Pittsburgh Knights, as well as more NFT partners and collectors, are being more brought into the public in terms of actual process of updating their projects, as well as rewarding the users who are holding them, as well as constantly finding new projects within this network. And the thing is, they don't never bash on each other. Theta Network community is probably one of the strongest communities I've ever seen in terms of crypto. A lot of people who are on Solana kind of say they kind of bash on each other every so often. I'm not really on that. I'm also, again, definitely biased because that's my YouTube channel is all Theta, as well as being a Theta holder myself, as well as the NFT. So obviously there's going to be a huge bias there, but definitely do your own research when it comes to investing your own money. But overall, that is all I have for today's video. Thank you guys for coming to the video and my channel. If you are new to the channel and trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Theta wallet address for any kind of Theta, T-Fuel, or any kind of TNT20 donation. But really looking forward on to the next one. If you're an OG viewer and subscriber, thank you guys for coming back to the channel and watching and giving that video a thumbs up. Really do appreciate it as always, guys. But until the next one, it's your boy Justin Massetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.